Hello and welcome to part 3 of matrix multiplication. In this video we shall try and show that the order of matrix matters, and also we're going to combine rows and columns. Okay, the idea of this exercise is to show that order does matter, and we've got three matrices here. We've got W, which is 2 by 3, and X, which is 3 by 3, and Y, which is 3 by 2. You can multiply W and X. W comes first and X comes second, because W is 2 by 3 and X is 3 by 3. So the innermost numbers do agree, and that's 3. But you cannot multiply X and W. X comes first and W second, because X is 3 by 3 and W is 2 by 3. The innermost numbers do not agree and are not the same. The innermost number for 3 by 3 is 3, and the innermost number for 2 by 3 is 2. So that wouldn't work. Right. You can multiply W and Y, because W is a 2 by 3 and Y is a 3 by 2. You can also multiply Y times W, because Y is a 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns, and W is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's possible. So that can be done. Now we shall try and do and multiply W and Y and see what we get. Okay, W times Y. W is a 2 by 3 matrix and Y is a 3 by 2 matrix, so it can be done. That's the basic rule. And the results you get will be a matrix with the outermost numbers. So it's going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. So you're going to have a matrix of 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, now moving on, what I'm going to try and do is to do the 1, 4, 2 first, and we'll do the 0, 2, 3 later on. So when you do the 1, 4, 2 first, the top row, you multiply firstly the top row and the first column. So you do 1 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 2 times 3. And then for the next position, you do 1 times 0 plus 4 times 4 plus 2 times 5. And when you combine these, you should get 1 times 1, which is 1 plus 4 times 2, which is 8 and 9. 9 plus 6 will give you 15. And for the right corner, top row, you get 1 times 0 is 0, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 10 will give you 26. Now, working with the bottom row for the W matrix, again, you do what we did earlier, and that should be 0 times 1, and then 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. And then you then do 0 times 0. Now we're looking at the bottom row here, 0 times 0, and then 2 times 4, and then 3 times 5. So you should end up with, now 0 times 1 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13. For the right hand corner, right bottom corner, now 0 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now 8 plus 15 should give us 23, and that's our answer. I hope you found this interesting, and please get in touch with me if you have any comments to make, and if you want me to upload any videos, I shall try and do my best to oblige. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.